Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to learn the words with sound of vowel E. Join the letter to make words with the sound of E. हमें क्या करना है? Words को join करना है और E sound के words को pronounce करना है. M-E, me. H-E, he. W-E, we. Y-E-S, yes. T-H-E, the. A-R-E, are. P-E-T, pet. H-E-N, hen. S-E-A, see. L-E-G, leg. D-E-N, den. P-E-N, pen. G-E-M, gem. N-E-T, net. T-E-N, ten. J-E-T, jet. Phonic drill vowel E. Let us read aloud words with E sound. अब हम कौन से words पढ़ेंगे? E sound वाले words. He, be, me, we. Hen, yen, and, send. Beg, net, leg, let. E. Now we'll read the words that ends with the E sound. अब ऐसे words पढ़ेंगे जिसके end में E sound आएगा. C, B, fee, T. Ed. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the ed sound. Wed, bed, fed, led. L. अब ऐसे words पढ़ेंगे जिसके end में L sound आएगा. Bell, fell, gel, well, sell. Et sound. Now we'll read the words that ends with the et sound. Wet, met, set, wet, bet, yet. N. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the n sound जिसके end में n sound आएगा. Pen, men, fen, ten, den, hen. Egg. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the egg sound. ऐसे words जिसके पीछे egg sound आएगा. Leg, peg, keg, beg. Ebb. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the ebb sound. Web, reb, neb, deb. Short and long. Short मतलब छोटा, long मतलब लंबा. Words with short E sound. ऐसे words जिसमें E का sound बहुत short आता है, बहुत छोटा सा आता है. Like red, bed, fed, pen, hen, ten, net, wet, pet, leg, peg, beg. Now words with long E sound जिसमें E sound बहुत ही लंबा आता है. Like B, C, fee. तो आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो ना कि ई साउंड कितना लंबा साउंड आ रहा है. जीप, डीप, लीप, वी, वीप, ही. साइट वर्ड्स. ही, शी, वी, मी. बी, आर, द, हर, यस, हैव, दे, देम, देन. Words with E sound. Study words with E sound. Now we'll read the words that ends with the N sound. ऐसे words जिसके end में N का sound आए. Hen, pen, ten, den. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the H sound. Jet, net, pet, wet. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the egg sound. Leg, peg, keg, egg. Now we learn the words that ends with the E sound. B, C, tree. Reading with vowel E. A jet, a hen, a net, a bell, a bee, a well, a cell, a man. I have a pet hen. We eat an egg. Ted has a bed. Meg see a pen. Ben's hen. Ben had a new red hen. Her name is Ken. Ken, the hen, lay eggs. Jen has 10 eggs. Now reading with vowel AE. A cat sat on the mat. Cat has a bed. अब इसमें आप देख रहे हो वॉवल ए का भी यूज हो रहा है और ई का भी. The bed is red. Dad is in the jet. Hen is on the fan. Ted peels and eats a pear. Bees sleeps on a tree. Bees makes honey. Honey is sweet. Skill sheet vowel E. Write words with a short E and long E vowel sound and speak them aloud. Let's do it together. This is a B. I like red color. Spider makes web. My dad ate a pea. I eat an egg. I have a net. Skill sheet vowel E. Look at the pictures and write the words. Let's do it together. Hen. Very good. Net. Leg. Web. Very good. Bed. Gems. Very good. Skill sheet vowel E. Unscramble and write. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें उल्टे पुल्टे लेटर्स दे रखे हैं, उन्हें अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है और गिवन स्पेस में लिखना है. Red. Very good. Net. Pet. Egg. Very good. Bed. Hen. Leg. Pen. Brilliant. So kids, I hope that you have understood what we have done in the class today and you will practice more and more to become perfect.